Okay, my friends, what is 10% of 7,000? Remember, 10%, you just move the decimal over 1. So that's 700. Oh my goodness, can't make it much easier than that. Just can't. Now, 15% would be 10% plus 5%. 10%, you move the decimal over 1, so it'd be 120. Plus 5% is half of that, which would be 60. So that'd be 180. Then 20%, you just find 10% and double it. So 10% would be 0.8, move it over 1, double it is 1.6. 90%, you find 10%, move over 1, move it over 1, that's 6, and then subtract that from 60, 100%. So it'd be 54. Well, that was easy peasy. Now, sine of 180, whenever you have a point on an axis, you actually pick the point. That's called a quadrantal angle. So that would be negative 1, 0. Sine is y over r. Y is 0. R is 1 because it's 1 unit. So it would be 0. 270 is right here. That's the point 0, negative 1. Tangent's y over x. So it'd be negative 1 divided by 0. So it's undefined. Can't have 0 on the bottom, don't you remember? Oh my goodness, you don't. Now pi is 180. Doink. So we already have the point negative 1, 0. Cosine is x over r, so it'd be negative 1 over r. So it'd be negative 1. Now, if it's not a quadrantal angle, then you have to find the reference angle. 150, second quadrant, sine is positive. The reference angle is 30. Remember, the reference angle is made with the closest x-axis and the terminal side. So that'd be 30 degrees. So it'd be the same as sine of 30, which is a half. So cosine 330. I have to lift this up a little bit. There we go. 330. That'd be all the way around to here. How many degrees between 330 and 360 would be 30. Cosine's positive in the fourth quadrant, so it's cosine of 30. And the cosine of 30 is square root of 3 over 2. Tangent is 315. 315 is way over here. So that's 45 degrees between. Tangent's negative in the fourth quadrant, so it'd be negative tangent of 45. And tangent of 45 is 1, so it'd be negative 1. Now, when you have radians, it's probably easier for you just to change it to degrees. So 180 divided by 6 is 30, times 5 is 150. So 150 is in the second quadrant. Remember, sine is positive. Reference angle is 30, so it'd be sine of 30, which is a half. So here, 2 pi over 3. 180 divided by 3 is 60, times 2 is 120. So 120 is in the second quadrant. Cosine is a negative in the second quadrant. So it'd be negative cosine of 60 degrees. Because the reference angle is 60. Then you would say, okay, cosine of 60 is a half. Yoo-hoo. So let's skip to the next line. What is 0 factorial? That's 1. What is 1 factorial? 1. Remember, factorial means that number times every integer below it down to 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. 2 factorial would be 2 times 1, which is 2. 3 factorial would be 3 times 2, which is 6. And then 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So it'd be 24 ways to put 4 books. Then we have ellipses. So this ellipse, you divide everything by 16 to get it equal to 1. So it'd be x squared over 4 equals plus y squared over 1 equals 1. So the center is 0, 0. You go left, right, 2, and up, down, 1. So left, right, 2, doopy-doo, up, down, 1, dopey-do. Now this one, the center would be 2, 0. The opposite number is x, opposite number is y. You're going left, right, 5, and up, down, 2. Okie doke. Video 1 is done. I skipped a couple, but the same type of problem.